Hello, welcome back to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today we are making an Artichoke Hold. It's been on my list for a very long time. My list of cocktails and to-dos is absolutely massive. So many ideas that I really want to share with you guys, but it's going to take some time. So the Artichoke Hold was made by Jeremy Oertel. He's a New York bartender from a bar called Donna. I don't know if he's still there or if it was a place that he worked at years ago. It calls for Smith Cross rum. So this is the reason why I haven't done it up until now, is because for those who've been following along with the videos, I only got my bottle of Smith Cross a couple of weeks back. So the original recipe does also call for St Germain Elderflower Liqueur. I'm subbing it for Giffards, which is a slightly different profile. I'm just crazy like that. So if you don't have the Smith Cross Jamaican rum, you can easily substitute it for another Jamaican rum. It is going to taste different, but try and get a full flavored, funky Jamaican rum, a pot distilled rum. And then we've got Cynar, so artichoke liqueur, hence the name Artichoke Hold. Sorry, double check that. And it's finished off with a bit of Orgeat and fresh lime juice. So I'm going to get straight onto mixing the drink. And I've got some pretty big announcements coming up soon. So I'm going to be taking on viewer submissions, going to have a big giveaway, a competition. What else is new, Kat? We're moving into a new studio.
2021.
Yeah, so this Christmas period and 2021 is going to be a big year. If you guys want to stay in touch with all the going-ons when we get the new studio, the competition details, the giveaways, all that kind of stuff, I'll leave a link to the newsletter in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, please. So 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 ml of your Jamaican rum, Smith & Cross I'm using. And then Cynar, artichoke, bitter liqueur / Amaro. Same, 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml. And then half an ounce, 15 ml of your chosen Elderflower Liqueur. And Orgeat, or Zar, however you like to pronounce it. Half an ounce, 15 ml. And yes, I upgraded my knife. Thanks to Aiden Loader. I had a lot of complaints about using a really average paring knife that could barely cut through a lime on one of my recent videos. I don't know what it's like in the States. I'm pretty sure limes are readily available, but at the moment in Australia, they are goddamn expensive. $2.50 each for a lime. Ridiculous. So we've got 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml. Ice into the shaker. And give it a shake. And this one's served over crushed ice. Or pebble ice. In Australia, there's not really any suppliers that I know of that you can actually buy pebble ice. So a little bit easier to come across in the States. And strain it into that double old-fashioned glass. And garnish with a healthy mint sprig. And it's got crushed ice, so therefore a surfside sip. There you have the Artichoke Hold. Cheers. Nice, vibrant, citrusy notes. Ooh, I like this one. It's a, first of all, you get this like tart acidity from the citrus as well as the elderflower liqueur. It's got some, like the elderflower has some tartness to it. And then you get that funkiness follow through with the Cynar sort of tails off. You get that bitterness. So you've got this nice balance of bitter and sweet. It's quite an interesting mix of flavors. The funky overripe banana rum, bitter Cynar, like bitter artichoke, sweetness, and the nuttiness. I don't get a lot of nuttiness. You need to like bitter drinks to like this. I like it. Cat. Maybe. Would you like to try it? Okay. And yes, once we get into the new studio, we'll have cat cam. Everyone seemed to enjoy that idea.
That's not bitter. That's really nice.
Yeah?
Really sweet.
You get that lingering bitterness from the Cynar. Like it's not a full-on strong bitterness, but lingering dryness afterwards.
I feel like the Cynar has to play second fiddle as well.
Yeah, of course, the rum's.
It's really nice, I was surprised. I thought it was going to be terrible.
That's enjoyable. If you've got the collection of these bottles, if you've got the rum, even if you don't have the Smith Cross, try another Jamaican. Try substituting if you like. If you don't have Cynar, try a different Amaro, and let me know in the comments below how you go. Give it a shot. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.